Anyone ready?
Hey, can I see which one you're using?
Tiny shade. देखो लगे?
Yeah.
तो करियो नहीं?
No.
No, sunshine. Anyone ready?
Yeah.
Come here. Mama, no. Wait, રાખજો હા બેટા અહીંયા આગળ આપણા બોક્સ આયા તો આજે હવે આપણી પાસે ઓપ્શન નહીં અહીંયા પછી કિચન ધોતા તો વાર લાગવાની છે આપણી.
When is our kitchen gonna come back?
I don't know.
Look at that pyramid. The pyramid. Looks so cool. Like, how did they make a pyramid? You know the hardest one to do?
At one point, I remember how to solve this, the flat, okay? And how to solve this flat version, not the pyramid.
I'm gonna try to do the starter.
મારે આ વાળી કરવાની છે. I didn't get the time to do it.
I want to do the back, but for Can I feed you?
You're feeding me? Sure. I'll make it and then you can feed me.
No, I'm.
Okay. Bhaiya ne aaphi kuch. Nima, ready?
Oh yeah, this one's for you.
Okay. I want the
Uncle,
lot of water also. જોઈને નહીં પહેલા જાતે ટ્રાય કરે trial and error. But still it's like only you're solving half, right? Which is easy. 3 piece હોય તો એ તો easy થઈ જાય ને.
I didn't actually I'm not the pro at scooping it up and not dropping. So I use a plate. Whoa.
Very good. Nirvana. I'm done. Jikura. At least handsome lage jayega. Golden kilo. You look very handsome in the shot.
No.
Because you don't wear shirt in the school generally.
I know.
But the सरस तैयार नहीं आएगा.
Yeah.
Including Avish.
No, Avish was just wearing a sweatshirt.
Okay.
He wasn't wearing like a shirt like last year. Last year he dressed up good.
You know why?
Why?
His mom is not here. She's in India
Why is she
for
always,
two weeks.
Why does she always go to India?
I don't know.
Does she have to work there? Who's Avish staying with? His babysitter. His cousin. No, his cousin. Her sister.
And then their cousin.
Oh yeah.
The only his mom who went.
But when both of their moms.
Anjana, band kariye na, please.
What?
Can I have my phone?
Oh, it's still on.